Did you know there's a tea that can lower blood pressure, boost your immune system, and help you lose weight? No, it's not green tea, it's hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea isn't just beautiful, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that might surprise you. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the Hibiscus sabdarifa flower, a plant known for its vibrant red blooms. It's caffeine-free, tart like cranberry, and packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. Perfect for any time of the day. Imagine a tea that not only tastes great but also gives you a nutrient boost. Sounds like a dream, right? Studies show hibiscus tea can lower blood pressure naturally, supporting a healthy heart and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. That's right, sip your way to better heart health with this vibrant tea. Next up, weight loss. Hibiscus tea may boost your metabolism and prevent fat buildup, making it a great addition to your weight loss journey. It's like having a wellness buddy in your cup, helping you on your fitness journey by supporting your metabolism and energy levels. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage. This tea is packed with them, helping to fight free radicals and promote glowing, youthful skin. Who doesn't want that? It's like a beauty elixir from nature, giving you that radiant glow from the inside out. Hibiscus tea also boosts your immunity with vitamin C and antibacterial properties, making it a great ally during cold and flu season. It's a strong shield against those pesky colds and flu, helping you stay healthy and vibrant. Plus, it can help manage blood sugar levels, which is crucial for those with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable energy levels. So it's a win-win for your overall health. Now, let's talk about how to make this wonderful tea. Now, how to make it. It's super simple and quick. Here's a quick and easy recipe. Boil water until it reaches a rolling boil. Add 1–2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus petals to the boiling water. Steep for 5–7 minutes, allowing the flavors and nutrients to infuse into the water. Strain and enjoy hot or cold. It's delicious either way. Bonus tip, add honey, lemon or mint for extra flavor. These additions not only enhance the taste, but also add extra health benefits. Hibiscus tea is safe for most people, but if you're pregnant or on blood pressure meds, check with your doctor first. Safety first. Want more health tips like this? We've got plenty more to share. Like, comment, tea lover, and subscribe for more wellness wisdom.